What's cracking, everybody? Today we're gonna be trying out this mysterious box. It's called Gopher Holes. So the object of this game is to they have these pieces so they connect, and the object is you have to keep on trying until you get it. So you're supposed to put them in here and then keep on trying in this game. So today I'm gonna be trying to do it, but so we're gonna do a time lapse. So ready? And start the time lapse in 3, 2, 1. Okay guys, so it took me 30 minutes I think to complete this. It looks harder than it looks like, guys, and believe me, it even says on the cover. So if you guys want this, go to I got this at Marshall. It's right by PetSmart, right by Parkway Plaza, the mall. If you guys want to get this, it's just like a Rubik's Cube, some would say. So if you guys want this game, I'll put it in the description. Okay, so if you guys like this episode, make sure to click for more, and happy holidays. Bye.